If you want to work with music in Adobe Audition, then you can enable something called metronome. So it is available over here in the multi-track editor. You can see that there's a metronome. If I were to play the audio right here, I cannot hear any metronome sound. In order to enable the metronome, simply click the metronome symbol right here, and here you can see that there's the metronome. Here you can just set the tempo, which is by default 120 beats per minute. So I'm just going to play it and let's hear it out how that sounds. I can also change the position of this. I can increase the volume of this and change the left and right channel as well. Right, so that is just there for a reference. If you are recording some kind of music and so forth, then you can use this feature. Very handy to use. So you're gonna record any musical instrument according to the beat, you can use the metronome options. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.